Okay, morning all. A little bit of an update on the foundation. Not before coffee though. Oh God, it's too early in the morning for me. Still on Morrison's French number 5. Right. So what I've got here is white ultra foundation. It's pretty much the same as Kryolan's TV white, but it's got a creamier texture. But what we're going to do is really highlight the white around the eyes with that to really bring out the white. It's basically I'm using it as a replacement for the aqua white that you've seen me use before. So I'm just going to put on the foundation as per normal. Now I'm not going to extend this video with me doing this foundation again because I've done this I think a couple of times now. So it's the important bit of this video is the highlighter white around the eyes, because what I find is even though the contouring of what I'm doing works incredibly well, it blends in potentially a bit too much, and I want to bring the eyes back out again so that they really pop as per the aqua white, but making it part of the foundation. Get the same result. Get a very, very good result. It's just a different way of doing it. So again, white around the eyes. I've used 12W for the contouring and 7W because I've got a tan on my skin. Probably, like I said before, better a 3 or a 4 typically for most Caucasian skins. A 2 if you're really, really light. Darker tones obviously right down to if you know, for the black skin tones. And there's a specific Kryolan paint stick for Asian skin. I think Kryolan are brilliant because they cover everything. There we go. So I'll be back in a few minutes and blend this in. Okay, I'm back. Still loading up on caffeine. Right, as you can see, I've blended the foundation and powdered the lower part of my face. Now, it works. The contouring of this method works incredibly well, but what happens is you've now it's slightly homogenized, even though the shades are there. So we're reintroducing some white to bring out some highlighting. What I should have said as well is we're going to do the nose. Totally forgot about that. So, bridge of the nose, just a streak of that white down there, and then what we're going to do and then just very gently pat it down. There we go, nice. So you've got a nice, that It's, you know, it's a kind of a drag queen technique. You can say get the 7W or a deeper tone. Do it down the side of your nose if you wish to minimise the appearance of your nose. So that's one way of doing it. So now, eyeballs. Don't think. Okay. I just didn't feel that I patted that down as well as I could have done. So. There we go. What you don't want to do is do your foundation, then do this over the top of it, because it will just be a little bit crusty if you attempt to do something like that. So you've done that, and then just use your sponge, just blend the end in, and then eyeball. There we go. Remember, you're probably doing dark makeup from that edge anyway, so go as far as you need to. Again, always, makeup's about personal preferences. You know, you don't have to stick to the norms. Do it this way, do it that way. You know, I hope one day that I'm a makeup influencer, got some experience, let's say, but I'm not going to be one of those influencers. Oh, it's only this way. Anybody else is doing it wrong. Rubbish. If at the end of the day you are happy with the result, that's what it's all about. You stand in that mirror and go, this is glorious. Brilliant. Right, so I've now just used a tissue to get the excess foundation off of that brush, and now we're just going to use what's left, which is minimal, just to blend it in around the edges and get rid of those harsh lines. There we go, all done. So I'm just going to do the other side. It's pointless rinsing and repeating on almost the same thing. So you can see the shadow under the eye there, and then with the white it's gone. So I'll be back in a second and show you what it's like once I've powdered it down. Okay, as you can see, all powdered down now and done. So highlighter white's done, and the bonus of having effectively brushed on the highlighter white around the eyes, you've now got the outline, perfect contoured outline to draw your eyebrows. Couldn't be easier. Boink. So as soon as you're ready to do your eyebrows, that's going to be very, very easy. So looking good. Now it's just ready for a bit of blusher, and I'll see you on the other side when hopefully I'm all prettied up. See you in a moment, because it's all about the highlighting of the white around the eyes, the iridescent white. So what we're doing here now is we're going to go over there we go. Just get my little mirror back here to help. That's the one. There we go. So, and then just use the brush, sweep it under there, sweep it over. You normally use a flat brush for the bridge of the nose. And again, sweep it under there. And then just use your blusher brush just to blend in again. Done. Well, as you can see, all made up and feeling glorious. If you haven't seen the nails, bloody hell. Uber long. Big old diamantes, all glitter. Do love the silver. And I think it's probably the happiest I've ever been with my eyebrows. Totally on point. Makeup, let's see. There you go. Love it. Glitter, glitter. And as you can see, the whole point of the exercise today, nice highlight white down the nose and highlight white there, all achieved basically with the foundation. So, good luck.